If you are encountering the PCI Express Root Port error, several solutions can help resolve this issue. One effective method is to manually update the drivers for your root ports. Another crucial step involves reinstalling your chipset drivers. Before diving into those specific fixes, let us consider an often overlooked solution: installing optional updates. To do this, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the Windows Update tab. On the list on the left-hand side, in the right pane, select Advanced Options. Here you will find the option for optional updates. If any optional updates are available, be sure to install them. After checking for optional updates, it is also a good practice to click on Check for Updates to ensure your system is fully current. Another powerful tool for troubleshooting system errors is the System File Checker scan. To initiate this, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Once the Command Prompt window opens with administrative privileges, type the command sfc/scannow and press Enter. This will begin the System File Checker scan, which will scan for and attempt to repair any corrupted system files. Hope this was helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.